Alright, it's time to change the oil filter on this 2022 2.0. I change my oil every 4,000 miles. Maybe the manual says 5 or 6, but I do it every 4 because we kind of enjoy it. But yeah, I got the waste here. I got the 16 quarts right here, and then so I could actually have for a while few changes before I have to put it in a waste. But yeah, this is what I use, Mobile One, full synthetic 0W20, and then I got this socket here for the filter, which is really nice if you want to be on a tight budget. This works for me perfectly fine. And then I use this filter right here. You can find it at Walmart as well for like, I don't know, $8, $7 I think. M1110A, that's the filter I use. And yeah, just safely make sure your parking brakes are on and jack up that side, because the filter is located under here in this panel, so it's easy to reach. And make sure you remove the cap so you can let the pressure go out in the air, whatnot. And yeah, once we go down there, there's gonna be a Phillips. We're gonna use a Phillips and the bolt for the drain bolt. I'll show you guys what number that is. So this cover comes off from the bottom. It's held by three flatheads. They just twist one way. And my son is popping out. He's heard my voice and he's screaming at me. Alright, so the panel's removed. Also the other one too, because we didn't want the oil draining out of the panel, going all over the place. So we moved the second panel as well. And yeah, got this set up. Take this cap out. Yeah, we'll start draining the oil in there. See what size that is. So the bolt size that we used was 11/16. It says 11/16 on there. Oh, nice. Yeah, I knew it was gonna go in pressure. There you go. That oil needs to be changed. Now bring it a little bit closer, so the last few drips gotta fall right down. So that should do it. All right, now you can see we're doing the filter. Filter here, I got it. Filter last. And move your hands. It might drop. Two years later, still spinning. There you go. Remember, use gloves. Makes life so easy. There we go. Now just leave it there for a few minutes. That's it. Put a new filter on there. All right, so that, make sure once everything is drained out, you want to put the bolt or even the filter, whichever you want to do first. Make sure they're both tight. Tight is tight. There's no torque specs as far as I know. Filter's tight, that bolt is tight. Put this panel back on, put the small panel back on as well. And once we bring the car back down safely, we're gonna put that how many quarts that is, that gallon basically of oil, brand new oil. All right, that's it. And once it's dropped, put the whole gallon in there for a 2.0, and then just close the cap up there. And that's pretty much it. And you're good to go. Just reset in the settings. I'll show you guys real quick. Resetting, go to settings, vehicle. We're gonna go to, where was it? Maintenance info. We did that. Yep. Everything is checked, so we're good. Select. And then we did all that stuff, so that's fine. All do reset. Okay, now that sign from there is gone. Perfect. That yellow sign over there, but listen, my door's open. That small one, the door's open. But it's all set. That's it. Now, if my video was helpful, I would appreciate it if you guys subscribe to the channel. Support is free. And let's hit 100K subs soon. If you guys think that I deserve a silver plaque by now from YouTube, the silver button, definitely subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at RedLineMods.official. And that's it for me. Peace out till next time.